How to see recently watched live on TikTok. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so let's get started with the video. You need to start by heading over to your application TikTok, enter your login credentials, and make sure you are logged into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on its homepage. Now simply move into your profile at the bottom right corner. Click on this three horizontal line at the top right corner of the screen and then move into Settings and Privacy. In this page, move into Activity Center inside Content and Display. And then head over to Watch History. In this page, it will be showing you all of the watch history that you have made on TikTok. If you have also viewed the live, then it will be available to you in this page. If it is available, then all you gotta do is click on it and view the live that you have recently watched. Or else, if you remember the username or profile, then you can go back and search it in the search bar. Move into their profile. If they are still live, then you will be able to view it by tapping on this icon, and then you'll be good to go. So that's a wrap for this video. If this video helped you out, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.